Wala akong makita. Sige na, i-mix mo na. Mix mo na.
Break.
Ay,
Magic time.
ay, careful.
Magic.
Huwag mong hipan, lalabas yung yung powder, tinan mo, oh.
The easiest way to stir it is the magical stir. Where's the magical stir? Ta, ito na! Ta!
Sige. I guess we need more milk a bit.
Ako mag-cook.
Hindi, ako na.
Ha?
Ako na. Na.
Teka. Ang pusa, huwag mong palabasin dyan.
Let's taste how it's good.
Not ready. Mix mo muna everything.
Not good yet. More stirring.
Yes.
Ta!
Careful, baka malaglag yan.
Ito yung makapag-
Hi!
Buy hot juice.
Wala, painumin mo ng tubig, wag juice.
Ay, okay.
Painumin ng juice. Konti lang.
Yung milk niya, painom mo.
Want juice?
Konti lang juice. Parang halfway pa lang. Minamahal ng juice kanina eh.
We're cooking pancake.
Ako nang mix.
Okay.
Malapit na mahila.
Make sure na walang buo-buo.
Ito na lang.
Meron pa ba?
Ha? Wala na ubo? Eh, very good. Sure ka? Wala na yan.
No, more stir.
Abeli ah.
Hello guys, good afternoon.
We're cooking.
Yeah, say hello to our friends, to our followers, Wayne. Hello, Wolfman. Hello, everyone. Hello, Ernie Alvarez. We're making, what is this, kuya? Ay, naku, hindi ganyan.
Pancake?
We're making pancake for snack. For kids snack. Ay, naku, si kuya talaga. Let me help you na nga para mabilis.
Ito yung easiest way oh.
Okay.
Dito.
Mhm.
So, pwede mo lang ganyan oh.
Ay, ang galing naman.
Tapos pwede mo din i-rise.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Let's taste how it tastes.
Ay, naku talaga.
More stirring. Let's smell how it smells. Not
May smells ka ba eh. May sipon ka. Be careful. Hawakan mo to, baka biglang malaglag,
Is this
kuya.
done?
Not yet. More stirring.
I can tell why it's dirty now.
Mm-mm.
Because I tasted and there's a yolk.
We can add a bit of oil.
Where?
Yes.
Why?
Para ano siya?
Miami.
Yes.
It looks like lava.
Eh, careful naman. Nagkakalat. Ito talaga.
Look like Java.
Look like what?
Java.
Java?
Opposite of lava. But you cannot die.
Okay na. I'm gonna start cooking na, ha? I think that's enough.
No, more stir. Taste. Time.
You're always tasting it naman.